Okay, so I wanted to review because I already explained, I did the math, but I wanted to explain the reasoning behind why we know these are in or out of control. So once you find the control limits, the upper and lower control limits, we are going to go ahead and see which ones are in control. And we know they are in control if they all fit inside this range or fence. So last time I solved, we found the upper control limit as 0.0936 and the lower as 0.0064. So everything we want to be in this range will tell us it's in control, and if it's out of that, then that might mean it's not in control. So that might mean maybe something's wrong with the machine or operator error, so on. We're going to do that by turning these number of defectives into a decimal. 6 would be 0.06. That falls in here. 5 is 0.05. Also in here. And then if we keep going down, 10, that's 0.1. That is above our little fence, so that means it would be out of control. So we need to see maybe on day 5 what caused this. Again, this isn't necessarily what it's saying what caused it. We're just seeing if it's in control. I'm just going forward and saying it potentially means that on day 5 there was a machine error or something like that that made it have more defectives and made it out of control. And then it's pretty similar for this one. We just have an X and a R chart. So for our X chart, it's going to be 10.419 is our upper, and our lower is 9.661. I'll do that. And then R is going to be 1.1866, and our lower is 0. So like I said, I did these in a different video. I'm just doing this because I didn't know if I explained it properly enough, so I figured why not just be sure. Okay, so X is all of these. So we will know it's in control if, again, similar to last time, it's in this range. So 10.1 is safe, 9.8 is safe. I do not believe that there's any that go below that 9.6, which is a good thing. We only have one that goes above that control limit, and so we might want to see what could have possibly caused that. It's important to know that it is considered in control if there are no out of control signals found. So that would make me think that this one is not in control because we found this one right here. And then for R is going to be the max minus the min, maximum minus minimum, sorry. So for 9 a.m., that one isn't all of them. That's going across like this that we found the first time. Let me erase that so it's easier to see. So our maximum here is 10.4 and our minimum is 9.8, and that's a difference of 0.6. Because it's in this range, it's all good. And then you could do that with the rest of them, and I do believe that is all going to be in that range, so it should be okay. Hopefully that clears things up and makes more sense. And good luck.